Okay, next video. As you can see, there are 4 holes here. They are metric, they are M6 metric, and I will also include the screws, and you will have to drill corresponding holes here in the column. Okay, so they are have also screws here in the real, not screws, holes here in the real column. So all I have to do is to drill in exactly the same plane, exactly the same, because if you move it here or here, then your yoke will be tilted in this direction or that or this direction. So try to have them exactly in the same plane, and the distance from this side is 40 millimeters. Measure it yourself from here to here, but I have measured it and it's 40 millimeters. It should be 40 millimeters. Okay, so 4 holes should be exactly corresponding to these 4 holes. Okay, if it's M6 metric, then this hole is bigger. Like in our standards, it has to be 6.6 millimeters. If it's M5, it has to be 5.5. So make it half millimeter bigger, so you have some room for error, for tolerance. Okay, that's all for now.